It is beyond a science fair. FBS STEM's Expo offers a place for students to exhibit their work alongside entertainment and learning opportunities for the entire community. It allows young minds to experience an innovative environment of hands-on science. STEM's Expo empowers students to investigate and express their talents, as well as developing their skills in communication, critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. Fatih Bilingual School is committed to follow the development of knowledge as well as the implementation of technology in the teaching and learning process. As a consequence, this builds a need of having a program which aims to expand the application of knowledge and technology in this field. Therefore, FBS holds a tremendous event in dealing with the skills of today's young generation through STEM's Expo 2021.